Hey guys, today let's learn how to use text to speech on TikTok over onto your iPhones. So basically, to do this, all you need to do is to head on over onto the plus icon here on the very bottom in the middle. So click on the plus icon right there. And of course, let's actually record a short video, or you could also add a sound if you'd like to. So just use any sound that you'd like. Basically, if you're giving a commentary or basically any creative TikTok video that requires a voice-over or a text-to-speech option to be enabled. And I think that'll be good. 10 seconds is already enough. So basically all you need to do, guys, is to actually head on over onto your stickers over here. No, not your stickers. Actually, my mistake. It should actually head on over here on your text. So basically, if you want to add a caption over here, so just say something like how to web or stuff like that and click on done. And I want you to click on the text itself. And as you can see, it's going to give you these options to edit the text to saturation question sticker or text to speech option. So click on text to speech and then boom, it'll automatically say that specific word or a sentence or phrase onto your TikTok video. You won't have any problems with that. And then boom, that is how you simply use text to speech on TikTok. You could now post this on to you or TikTok whenever you like to. I'm you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.